Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to view referral code in GCash. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first is pull up or access your GCash application. Now, before doing this process, make sure that you do really have a referral from GCash, and then the referee that you referred is actually successful on those specific activities. That needs to be done for you to be able to get that reward. So once you log in and once you entered your 4-digit PIN code, just go to View All Services. And then under View All Services, just go down and then under Enjoy tap on Jobs. Now from here, these are all the industry that you can refer someone for them to be able to get a job. And then once all the activities and once all the necessary process has been successful with the person that you referred to, that specific industry, you will automatically get a specific reward, like for this example, these rewards. Now, if the someone that you referred to with was successful on the activity that needs to be done, it will automatically route under Referred to Me. So that's what you can see. I haven't referred someone yet, so it will be 0. So if that someone was successful on the industry that you referred to that person, it will automatically be posted right here. Upon clicking on that, or upon tapping on that, you will be able to see that referral code. So that's basically how you can view referral code in GCash. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.